Hey, it's Reed again from Doylestown Auto Repair. Today, we got a 2007 Cayman S with another common problem. This one has a collapse lifter and it's knocking, as you can hear. It's pretty quiet when you start it up cold, but as it warms up, it starts hammering. We've done a couple of these so far, so if you're thinking about buying one of these, it's probably, I don't know, it's about $2,000 in parts to fix it. About 10 hours labor, so it's something you need to think about if you're shopping for one of these.